The Department of the Interior and Local Government, in partnership with the United Nations Development Program Philippines, launched the Paving the Roads to the SDGs through Good Local Governance project. This is under the conditional matching grant to the province's program. Among the key deliverables under the Road to SDGs project is to build a comprehensive project management system for the quality assurance of roads as well as governance reforms and capacity building. In response to this, the DILG and UNDP have partnered with Pointwest Technologies based on the lessons learned and shared by the Seoul Metropolitan Group, the entity that conceptualized and developed its own infrastructure project management system. Such collaboration led to the development of the client IPMS, which works as a project management with a reporting and compliance tool for the infrastructure projects implemented and managed by the 81 provinces of the Philippines. To explore further on this, the client IPMS includes the following modules: data input through several forms, reports and forms generation, data visualization, communication tools, and an approval workflow. Its workflow begins with enrolling a project into the system, encoding the project implementation data. The encoded data is then validated, and in its last stage, the data is then pushed to the DILG. The IPMS can also be used across departments by the following user roles: contractors who are responsible for project data input, project engineers that review and endorse data as part of its project monitoring responsibilities, project managers the ones accountable for forms and data approval apart from his usual project monitoring task, local chief executive who is capable of viewing project-related data, DILG OPDS through CMGP, in which its officers are expected to consolidate data through various report templates. Now let's take a look on how this will be applied on the daily log workflow. A contractor inputs the project-related information and then submits the information for approval. But before it reaches the approval process, the daily log will then undergo reviewing by a project engineer, assigned to check the task and proceed in endorsing it to the project manager. In the last stage of the workflow, the daily log reaches a second review process by the project manager for his final approval. At the end of the week, the system generates a statement of work accomplished. This statement of work accomplished shall serve as the basis of billing and payment processing, which is also recorded in the IPMS. In its effective rollout, the client IPMS offers a range of key benefits, such as the digitization and standardization of all data and forms used in the implementation of provincial LGU infrastructure projects, the improvement of records and its document management, the standardization of quality control and assurance processes, the promotion of safety standard practices in project sites, and finally, the improved efficiency and transparency in construction management. The IPMS also satisfies the goals of the Road to SDGs of DILG and UNDP Philippines. First, with its quality assurance of roads, this is achieved through the quality assurance and control module. Second, governance reforms and capacity building, achieved through standardization of processes and forms. The DILG aims to institutionalize the use of the IPMS across all the 81 provinces of the country, in line with its mandate for transparency and sustainability of road projects on the provincial level. Moving forward, the agency aims to roll out the use of the application among the 122 cities and 1,488 municipal local government units through the enforcement of policies and guidelines for managing road construction and development works.